Hello. So today we are going to be discussing directional signs or directional verbs, as they're sometimes called. So directional signs are signs that have additional meaning inside them because of the way they move. So, for example, I wouldn't sign I give you. I would just sign give you, right? That movement, there was no additional pointing to me or you. I just moved it, right? Again, if I gave you this marker, it's not I show you giving me the marker to you and then you. It's just that singular movement. The meaning is inside that movement. It's coming from me to you. So sometimes when you have two people, you might want to show that they're having a conversation and something is, sometimes you need a directional sign to convey the meaning. For example, that person's giving that person coffee, or they gave them coffee, right? So again, the sign itself has movement, and that movement has meaning inside the movement. Okay, so for this example, we have the sentence, he helped her with history. So the first thing we need to do is actually use the contrastive structure, and if you have forgotten what that is, what that means, I highly suggest you pause this video, go find those videos, watch them until you understand those, and then come back, because that is really the base to be understanding how to use directional signs between two people who are not here. So contrastive structure has three main rules, or three main steps. We're going to set them up. We're going to set up the second person and then point when needed. Okay. So, for example, my sister's there, my brother's there. Done. Okay, so as from now on, whenever I point to my right, it's my sister. If I point to the left, it's my brother. Again, so we don't have to keep reiterating those things. So he helped her with history. So first thing we're going to do is, of course, set up those two things. We have a he, we have a her. So we'll put a boy there and a girl there. That we'll go ahead and set those, settle that. So we have a boy. And then we need girl. Okay. So now that we've, now we need the sign for help. All right, he's going to help her, and we'll just put that down there. But we need to remember that he is helping her, right? It's not her helping him, or she's not helping him. So it's the boy helping her. And again, we're not going to reiterating boy help girl. We're just going to do the movement. That's the whole point of this. And he's helping her with history. History. Okay. So all together, we have a boy. There is a girl. He helped her with history. And actually probably should be history. All right, the history, the topic, the main point of the sentence. So history, he helped her. Now, there's one thing kind of wrong with this. History is very broad. So did he help her study? Did he help her with the homework? What did he help her with? I would, probably add something to that. I wouldn't just say history. So for example, maybe homework, or studying, right? There's a few other things as well. So I would add something very specific about how he helped her, just to give this a little bit more clarity. To just sign history kind of just feels awkward. It's a little bit, quote unquote, like I said, wrong. But yeah, so in the next video, we'll go ahead and look at a different example of directional signs.